Reina. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you've been here before. Today I need y'all to buckle up because we are taking a trip into the past, and what I mean is that today I went and I got a facial with Dermalogica Montreal. They gifted me a facial. It was a 60-minute facial, and I had done one back in the fall, which I like vlogged and walked you guys through literally the moment that I chose my outfit to, like, you know, the step-by-step process within the facial. And for whatever reason, guys, it just didn't get uploaded. And so going today, I was like, should I vlog it again this time? But then I was like, no, you have one. So I just want to walk you guys through that. So I look different, my hair straight, not curly, all these different things. It's also not similar to what it looks like today. It is April 22nd and there is snow on the ground. So either way, the other video is better because there isn't snow. So it'll just be a little happier, I think. Who wants to see snow in April? So this is the post facial glow. This is my skin in all of its glory. Get it? Anyway, I do normally get some blackheads. Hold on, let's see if we do that. And those were taken care of. I have like kind of like beauty marks or like freckles here or whatever, but then I do have some like dark spots that are a result of just like past pimples and stuff like that. And I think also what I found out is maybe even just like sunspots a little bit. But all this to say, enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, basically it was the same thing. I was in a different area. I was in like an open area this time, which like I definitely prefer being in a closed space, just because one, you get the nice like spa music, you don't like hear the stuff in the background, but also you just feel like a lot more, I don't know, like you've been transported somewhere else, you know? So like that aspect was a little bit reduced this time around, but even with that, it was really lovely. Jessica's amazing. I always ask a bunch of questions about just the different steps and stuff that she does, and she's always so nice in just explaining them all to me. So yeah, enjoy, and if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments below and I will get back to you. I also got some goodies, which I'll show you really quickly. So here is the goodie bag. Excuse the echo, I'm just in my bathroom. So yeah, here's the Power Bright Dark Spot Serum, which says it'll start fading the appearance of dark spots within days. Advanced serum begins to diminish the appearance of uneven pigmentation fast and keeps working to even skin tone over time. I was instructed to only use this in the morning and then put on moisturizer. So this comes before my moisturizer. And then this is the Rapid Reveal Peel. So I'm supposed to put this on my face for like 5 minutes or so and then wash it off. And this is only supposed to be used once a week. Hey guys, so today I'm heading to go get a facial with Dermalogica. So I'm just getting ready. I have my outfit here. So I have my boots, my favorite jeans again, and then today I have just my Simon's bodysuit. And if you don't know how much this was, then go check my Simon's haul, because I tell you, and it was on sale and it was an awesome price. Here I'm literally layering almost all of my well done necklaces. So this is the lock necklace, and then this one, I forget the name of this one, but I've had this one for like maybe 2 years now, 2 or 3. And I love it. And I wore it just because it has the little white pearls and picks up the white in the bodysuit. Yeah, so I'm ready. My bus comes in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna jump on that, and then I get to take you guys behind the scenes. All right, so now it's time to head to the bus. This is the final fit. I got my Zara wool coat on, and we are heading out. So I'll see you guys back when I'm on the bus. So I'm just gonna chill. Maybe I'll head to Starbucks or something in the meantime. We are coming up to it. Here we are. This is the room. Super cozy.
Cleanser. This is gonna remove any impurities, pollution, traces of makeup.
Okay.
Excess sebum as well. If you only do one cleanse at night, 50% of all the impurities and like pollution, sebum, all that you accumulate throughout the day is still gonna be left on the skin.
Gosh.
So that's why I still want you to do a double cleanse, just to really make sure that your skin is clean before you go to bed.
Okay. Noted.
Definitely, you do have some uneven texture everywhere.
Yes.
So, like I said earlier, you don't feel that dryness anytime like after you cleanse or?
Not really.
No? Okay.
Truthfully.
And how often are you exfoliating in a week?
I would say like 2 to 3 times.
Okay, and the type of exfoliant you're using is what type? Scrub texture?
A scrub texture.
Okay, so I actually want you to use something a little bit more on the chemical side.
Okay.
That's gonna really penetrate deeper into the skin, remove that texture, but at the same time, even out your discoloration that you have.
Okay.
Here, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna really even out your skin tone as well. So we're gonna brighten it up. Bring it back to life.
Yes, please.
Good?
Love all of it.
Perfect. The weather changes, our skin changes also.
Yeah.
So if you stick with the same cleanser and moisturizer from summer and then winter comes when it's like -40, you're gonna feel that dryness, you're gonna feel that tightness.
Okay.
And because you feel that like a little bit of sebum on the skin, like you said, towards the end of the day, it's normal because your skin is dehydrated. Once we're dehydrated, we're lacking water in the skin.
Okay.
And we produce more sebum. So that sebum is gonna come out and it's gonna protect the skin. But in this case, we want to hydrate as much as possible, right? For your type of skin. Exfoliating a lot.
Okay.
So I don't want you to like over exfoliate at home and then you call me in a panic, you know? Let's avoid that. Let's avoid that.
Sounds good.
It's gonna itch mainly, okay?
Okay.
So this is a chemical exfoliant. It's lactic acid. So lactic
feel
acid,
it immediately.
So it's gonna help really to brighten up the skin, brighten up your complexion, help with texture, and definitely hydrate the skin.
Oh my god.
Scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. What do you feel?
I'm gonna say like an 8.5.
Where do you feel it mostly?
My nose.
Okay.
And then my cheeks.
Here?
Yeah.
Is it still an 8?
No.
It's going down?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Now I'd say it's like a
5?
yeah or 6.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So we're gonna leave this on for 5 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, now it's reduced a lot.
Now it's good? Perfect.
Yeah.
So what I would recommend would be the pre-cleanse oil. So this you would do it at night.
Okay.
Followed by the intensive moisture cleanser. That would be your morning and night cleanser.
Okay.
The daily microfoliant. This is a powdered exfoliant. You would do that every second day at night.
Okay.
Your serum, it would be the vitamin C serum morning and night. So this is going to really help even out skin texture, help brighten up your skin.
Okay.
As a day cream, it would be the Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50. The one I put on your skin now. How does it feel?
It feels so good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And then as a night cream, you could stick to something very basic.
Okay.
The skin smoothing cream at night. Oh, and I forgot a toner.
Oh, yes.
Antioxidant Hydra Mist. This one right over here.
Okay, cool.
So you get 2 free products today.
Thank
so I don't know
you.
what you're interested in.
The serum.
Okay.
The serum. And then the exfoliant
The
that you
exfoliant,
use.
the powder.
Yeah,
Perfect.
please.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
So then I'll put those in a bag for you.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good day.
You
Don't
too.
forget not to exfoliate till next week.
Okay,
Sorry, Thursday.
okay. Okay, so this is my skin after the facial, and it was wonderful. I got some products that I'll show you guys afterwards, but it was really awesome. I highly, highly, highly recommend. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. So I know that Reinagade Fashion, obviously within the title, not the title, but within the name, focuses on fashion, and I will definitely be bringing that back. I have a few videos kind of lined up for you guys, but Reinagade Fashion also, the word fashion implies kind of a double meaning, which is also just like the fashion in which I live, and one of those things is just prioritizing like self-care and just prioritizing yourself, and not in a selfish way, but in a way that like motivates you to continue to do the things that you love, and to make time for things that you love. So I think for me, what's been really great over the course of this quarantine is just like prioritizing self-care in a different way. Just really prioritizing my skin. Like I hardly wear makeup. So I've just been really wanting to find products and things that help to contribute to like good skin health, and that just like makes me feel really nice and happy. And then I also adopted a passion, or developed a passion for plants, and so you're gonna see that on the channel as well. So if this is something that you guys care about, then stay tuned, and obviously share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for your patience, because even though my sign off is I'll see you so soon, sometimes it doesn't end up being that soon, but work with me. I love that you guys come back, and I'll see you so soon. Bye guys.